The 10 Rules of Money That Make You a Millionaire. Hello and welcome, my friends. You clicked this video because you want to grow. You want to understand money and maybe even master it. That's powerful. That means you're already on the right path. Now, let me tell you something important. Money follows rules, quiet rules. These rules don't change with time, fashion, or technology. They are timeless. Like the stars in the sky. The people who follow them rise. The people who ignore them often fall. And the good news? These rules are not difficult. They don't require you to be rich, famous, or lucky. You just need to listen and take action, step by step. So today, I will share with you the 10 timeless rules of money. These are not just lessons. They are life tools. Learn them. Live them, and watch your life change. Let's begin. Rule 1. Spend less than you earn. This is the foundation of everything. You must spend less than you earn. If your income is $100 and you spend $100 or more, you are on the edge of danger. Always. Why? Because life is unpredictable. Accidents happen. Emergencies come. And if you spend everything, you have no protection, no peace, no future. Even if your income is small, if you can save just a little, you're growing. You're creating space for freedom. That space is called margin, and margin is power. Discipline is more important than dollars. The one who saves a little consistently often ends up with more than the one who wastes a lot. So rule number 1, never break it. Spend less than you earn. Always. Rule 2, avoid bad debt. Debt is like fire. Used wisely, it can help you. Used carelessly, it can burn your entire life down. Some debt can help you grow, like a loan for education or a business that brings real return. But most debt, it's a trap. Credit cards, payday loans, buying things you can't afford, just to impress people who don't even notice you? That's not smart. That's slavery. Bad debt takes from your future to pay for your past. It's okay to wait. It's okay to say no. It's okay to live simple while you grow strong. The freedom of being debt-free is worth more than the feeling of showing off something you didn't really need. Avoid bad debt. Be free. Rule 3. Pay yourself. First, before you pay the bills, before you buy coffee or clothes, before you go out, pay yourself. What does that mean? It means put money into savings, into investments, into your future. Even if it's small, 5%, 10%, 1%, do it first. Make it a habit. Most people say, I'll save what's left after I spend. But guess what? Nothing is ever left. But when you save first, you change the game. You become the master of your money, not its servant. You are investing in you, and you deserve that. So every time money enters your hand, do one thing first. Pay yourself. First. Always. Rule 4. Make your money work for you. You work hard for your money. But one day, your money should start working for you. This is the power of investing. When you save money in a safe place, it sits. But when you invest wisely, it grows. You don't need to be an expert. You don't need to start big. But you need to start. Let your money grow like a seed. Over time, it becomes a tree. And one day, that tree gives you shade, fruit, and rest. Learn about assets. Learn where your money grows, not dies. You can't work forever, but your money can. Make your money work for you. Rule 5. Learn before you earn. Many people want to get rich fast, but riches without wisdom are dangerous. They disappear. Before you chase big money, learn how money works. Study, listen, ask questions. Learn about saving, budgeting, investing, taxes, business, slowly, daily. When you have knowledge, You see opportunities that others miss. You avoid mistakes that others fall into. Money without knowledge is like a car without a driver. It crashes. So take time to grow your mind, because a smart mind builds a strong life. Learn before you earn, always. Rule 6. Control your emotions. Money is emotional. It can make us feel powerful, proud, scared, or even ashamed. But here's the truth. If you don't control your emotions will control your money. Some people spend money when they're sad. Others invest recklessly when they're excited. Some buy things to feel better about themselves, even if they can't afford them. That's how people lose everything. Not from numbers, but from feelings. Be calm. Be patient. Be wise. Don't let fear, greed, or ego push you into bad choices. Before you buy something, ask, do I really need this? Before you invest, ask, do I understand this? Before you borrow, ask, is this worth it in the long run? Your emotions are powerful, but you are more powerful. Control your emotions, and you control your money. Rule 7. Track every dollar. You can't grow what you don't watch. If you don't know where your money is going, it's probably going to waste. Tracking your money is like using a map. Without it, you're lost. With it, you can see clearly what's coming in, what's going out, what needs to change. Use a notebook, an app, or a spreadsheet. It doesn't matter. What matters is this. Every dollar must have a name. Every dollar must have a job. This habit makes you smarter, stronger, and more confident. Even millionaires track their money. You should too. Track every dollar, every month, without fail. Rule 8. Build multiple streams of income. Most people depend on one job, but if that job stops, everything stops. That's risky. The wealthy think differently. They build multiple streams of income. Not all at once, but step by step. Maybe it starts with your job. Then you add a side hustle. Later, you build a small business. Then investments, real estate, royalties, passive income. Each stream is like a river feeding your financial life. It takes time. It takes work, but it gives you peace. So don't just depend on one source. Build more, slowly, wisely. More streams, more strength, more freedom. Rule 9. Protect what you build. You work hard, you save, you grow. Now, you must protect it. That means being careful. Don't share your money secrets with just anyone. Be wise about who you trust. Be cautious with big purchases and investments. It also means preparing for storms, with insurance, an emergency fund, and legal documents to protect your family. You don't build a house and leave the doors open, right? In the same way, you don't build wealth and leave it unprotected. What you build with care, protect with wisdom. Rule 10. Be generous and grateful. This last rule may surprise you, but it's the heart of true wealth. When you have enough, share. When you receive, give thanks. Money is a tool. It's meant to serve, not control. And one of its greatest powers is the ability to help others. Even if you have little, you can give. A little help, a kind word, a meal, a lesson, a blessing. Generosity is not about amount. It's about heart. And gratitude keeps you grounded. It reminds you that wealth is not only money, but health, love, peace, and purpose. When you are generous, you feel rich. When you are grateful, you stay rich. Give freely, be thankful, and you will always have enough. So, my friend, you've just heard the 10 timeless rules of money. They are not magic. They are not secrets. They are simple, honest truths, tested through time and proven by life. Let's quickly remember them. Spend less than you earn. Avoid bad debt. Pay yourself first. Make your money work for you. Learn before you earn. Control your emotions. Track every dollar. Build multiple income streams. Protect what you build. Be generous and grateful. These rules don't care where you start. They only care that you start. You don't have to be perfect. You just have to be consistent. One step at a time, one choice at a time, one day at a time. Your future is not written in stone. It's written by your daily habits. And now you have the tools to write a better story. Stay strong, stay wise, and always keep growing.